Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Today's topic is one that's very positive for the keto lifestyle and diet community, and that is seeking inspiration and motivation. Reading or listening to stories of people who have successfully adopted a keto lifestyle. Yes, it's very motivational, very inspirational to listen to other people's success stories. And, embarking on the ketogenic journey can feel at times to be a daunting situation. You might have heard about the incredible benefits such as weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels, but the path to achieving these results can be filled with challenges at times. One of the most effective ways to stay motivated and committed is to seek inspiration from the stories of those who have successfully adopted a keto lifestyle. These journeys can offer valuable insights, practical tips, and the encouragement you need to stay on track. Let's speak now about the power of real-life stories. There's something profoundly motivating about hearing someone else's success story. It makes the abstract concept of success be tangible and relatable. When you read or listen to the experiences of people who have overcome the same obstacles you're facing, it provides a sense of solidarity and hope. You realize that you're not alone, and if they can do it, so can you. So let's talk about finding stories. One way is through online communities and forums. One of the best places to start is online communities and forums dedicated to the ketogenic lifestyle. Websites like Reddit, MyFitnessPal, and various Facebook groups are treasure troves of personal stories. People from all walks of life share their keto journeys, complete with before and after photos, detailed accounts of their challenges and triumphs, and practical advice. These platforms allow you to interact, ask questions, and receive support from a like-minded community. Also, there are blogs and websites. There are countless blogs and websites where keto enthusiasts document their experiences. Bloggers often provide in-depth insights into their daily routines, favorite recipes, and strategies for overcoming common hurdles. Reading these blogs can offer a more detailed and personal look into the keto lifestyle. Some popular blogs include Ruled.me, Keto Connect, and Diet Doctor. Now let's speak about social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are filled with influencers and everyday people sharing their keto transformations. Follow hashtags like #KetoJourney, #KetoTransformation, and #KetoSuccess to discover new stories. Watching video content can be especially inspiring as it allows you to see the real-time progress and hear the emotions behind the journey. Now let's speak about books and podcasts. Books and podcasts provide another excellent source of information and inspiration. Many authors have chronicled their keto experiences, offering detailed insights and professional guidance. Podcasts like the Keto Diet Podcast by Leanne Vogel and Keto for Normies by Matt and Mega are great sources to hear experts and everyday people discuss their journeys, tips, and motivational stories. Now let's speak about the impact of success stories. One thing for sure, it builds confidence. Hearing other people's successes can boost your confidence in your ability to stick with the keto diet and lifestyle. Knowing that others have faced similar challenges and have come out successful on the other side can help you believe in your potential to achieve your own goals. Now, let's speak about learning practical tips. Success stories often include practical advice that can make your keto journey smoother, whether it's discovering new recipes, learning how to handle social situations involving food, or finding out how to overcome plateaus. The tips shared by successful individuals can be invaluable. And, especially it helps in terms of staying motivated. Motivation can wane, as we know, from time to time, especially if you're not seeing immediate results. On a regular basis, consuming success stories can provide the motivation boost you need to keep going. These stories serve as reminders of why you started and what you can achieve. So in conclusion, the ketogenic lifestyle is a transformative journey that can lead to incredible health benefits. However, staying motivated and committed can be challenging at times. By seeking inspiration from the stories of those who have successfully adopted a keto lifestyle, you can find the encouragement, practical tips, and confidence needed to stay on track. Dive into online communities, follow social media influencers, read blogs, and listen to podcasts. Surround yourself with success stories and listen to them intently and let them fuel your own keto journey. Remember, every success story started with a single step, just like yours. So I hope you found this discussion helpful, and please leave me any comments or questions you have below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so very much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.